In today's video, we'll be reviewing Workamajig, a project management platform designed specifically for creative teams. First, let's take a look at the homepage. Workamajig immediately stands out with its clean, user-friendly design. The main navigation menu gives you quick access to the key features: project tracking, resource management, and time tracking. Right away, it's clear this platform is tailored for teams that need to manage complex workflows. One of the core features of Workamajig is its project management system. It allows you to set up projects, define timelines, and assign tasks to team members. The interface is intuitive, with drag-and-drop capabilities that make managing your project simple. You can also track the progress of each task and ensure deadlines are met, which is essential for creative teams working under tight timelines. Resource management is another standout feature. Workamajig gives you a clear view of your team's availability and workload, which helps in making better staffing decisions. You can allocate tasks based on team members' capacity and monitor resource usage to avoid overloading any one person. This feature is incredibly useful for managing multiple projects at once. Time tracking is built right into the platform. Team members can log hours directly within Workamajig, making it easy to monitor how much time is being spent on each task. This can be helpful not only for project management, but also for billing clients accurately. The time tracking feature also integrates seamlessly with the project timelines, so you can always stay on top of deadlines. Now, let's talk about communication. Workamajig offers internal messaging tools that allow team members to stay connected. You can also share files and updates within the platform, keeping everything organized in one place. This reduces the need for back-and-forth emails and ensures that all relevant information is accessible in the same system. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Overall, Workamajig is a powerful tool for managing creative projects. It offers a comprehensive suite of features, including project management, time tracking, and resource management, all in one platform. It's a great choice for creative teams that need to streamline their workflows and ensure that every project is completed on time and within budget. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more detailed reviews on tools like Workamajig. Thanks for watching.